All right, so we've gotten used to doing this. No matter what technique we use when we're solving these systems, we like to clear these fractions out. So I'd go ahead and do that. I'd take this first equation, multiply by, looks like 12 would make sense. And really, on all these equations, looks like multiplying by 12 is going to make sense. So we're going to have some hefty numbers here to work with. Be ready to start calculating. All right, this first equation, as I clean this up a little bit, I know 2 goes into 12 6 times, so I've got 6x, plus 4 goes into 12 3 times, I got 3y. 3 goes into 12 4 times, I've got plus 4z. That equals 24 times 12. Check me on these. I got 288. Okay. Second equation, cleaning this up. 4 goes into 12 3 times, so 3x. 3 goes into 12 4 times, so 4y. 2 goes into 12 6 times, so that'd be a plus 6z. You take 12 times 29, should be 348. Last one, 3 goes into 12 4 times, so 4x, plus, be 2 into 12, so 6y. And then 4 into z, it'd be 3z. All of that equals 25 times 12, that's 300. And after adjusting the initial system, let's work off of this, this current system. Okay, let's use elimination to solve from here. All right, if we want to use elimination now to solve this, what we could do is we could select a couple of equations to play with at one time. So I'm going to take, like if I call this equation A, equation B, equation C. I'm going to play with A and B. So I'm going to stack A and B over here. If I stack A and B over here, you've got 6x plus 3y plus 4z equals 288. That's your A. And you've got 3x plus 4y plus 6z equals 348. That's your B. All right, let me do a little bit of eliminating with that one. Like let's eliminate the x's. It doesn't matter, right, as we get started, which variable we choose if we're going to do elimination. So let's just eliminate the x's. If I eliminate the x's, it would make sense to take the second equation and multiply it by a -2, right? So if I multiply this second equation by -2, that'd be -6. That'd be -8. This be -12, right? And -2 times 348, what is it? 696, okay. So there's my adjustments. Trying to eliminate the x's. If I add through now, well, let's see. 6x's go away. I'm left with -5y minus 8z equals, what's 288 minus 696? Maybe 408?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. We're all on the same page now. Okay, now I'm gonna leave that equation alone for a moment. And I'm gonna play with another stack. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stack, oh, I don't know, I could stack B and C. And since I eliminated the x's on this other stack, I'm gonna eliminate the x's over here. So stacking B and C, we've got 3x plus 4y plus 6z equals 348 over 4x plus 6y plus 3z equals 300. We're going to eliminate the x's. I tell you what, there's more that I'm going to have to write out here. So let's do this. Let's multiply this top equation by 4. Let's multiply this bottom equation by -3 to help us get rid of the x's. I'm going to try to work on top of this so I don't have to rewrite so much. But we're going to have to rewrite so much anyway. I'm going to go ahead and bring this down. 4 times 3, we got 12x. 4 times 4, we got 16y. 4 times 6z, we've got 24z. 4 times 348 is how much, please? 1392. Okay. -3, distribute through to the second equation, we get -12x. We get -18y. -9z equals, I got this one, -900, yeah. All right, we've set this up to eliminate the x's. X's are gone. Mission accomplished. You got 16 minus 18, so -2y. You've got 24 minus 9 plus 15z equals, over here we've got 492, right? Okay. Okay, so we took the two new equations here that we created and we stacked them over here, and we're going to eliminate again. Doesn't matter what we choose here. If you want to eliminate the y's, we can eliminate the y's. You know, if I want to multiply by 2 up here and need opposite signs, so let's multiply by -5 down there. That'll help me get rid of these y's. So making that adjustment to the top equation, multiplying by 2, we've got -10y minus 16z equals, that'd be -816. Then, with this second equation, multiplying that -5 through, you've got 10y minus, it'd be 75z equals -5 times 492. What is it? Okay. Adding through, y's are gone, leaving us with only z's, -91 of them. What's -816 minus 2460? Should go up, yeah. If you divide by -91, 36. Beautiful. So we got z. Once we have z, think about how we usually work with elimination here. Want to go back, figure out y? Well, take one of these equations over here. That'll help us figure out why. If I take one of those equations over there, if I plug in 36 for z, well, let's see, I've got -2y plus 15 times 36 equals 492. So I'm taking 15 times 36, whatever that is, subtracting it over to 492, whatever that is. Feeling negative at this point. Negative how much? 48, beautiful. Which means if you divide by -2, y is 24. So now we know our y, and we know our z, so we could go back. Oh, I don't know how far back we want to go here. Well, we could go back to the original equation, or we could go back to one of these equations, doesn't matter. plug in for y and z and solve for x, right? So 6x plus 3y plus 4z. 6x plus, what was it, 3y? 3y and 4z. All right, so 3 times 24, 4, 36, equaled how much? 288. So you got your 3 times your 24, your 4 times your 36. You're adding those. You're subtracting over to 288. That equals 6x. So I think when you do that, you get 72 over here. Because the answer for x should come out to be 12. Meaning our ordered triple as our answer here, x, y, z, would be 12, 24, 36. Our winning pick 3 numbers.